Did you know that you can create multiple free-floating output windows to reference your screens in ProPresenter? It's called a windowed output, and it gives you a ton of flexibility for your presentations, both inside and outside of your service or meeting. You can resize it, move it anywhere on your desktop, and even drag it across monitors, all without touching your actual outputs. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up and walk through a couple of ways teams are using it in real production environments. There are two main scenarios where windowed output really shines. The first is virtual meetings. If you're sharing ProPresenter content into Zoom, Google Meet, or any other conferencing platform, you need a window you can select as a screen share source. Windowed output gives you exactly that. A clean, dedicated window containing just your ProPresenter output, ready to share. The second use case is monitoring. Maybe you want a large, resizable preview of your stage display on a second monitor so your team can keep an eye on it from the booth. Or you want to pull your audience output into a window so you can see exactly what's going on screen while you're operating. Windowed Outputs handles both of those situations without any extra hardware. Here's how to set it up. You have two ways to access this feature. The first is the drop-down menu located directly under the preview window in ProPresenter. The second is through the menu bar. Just click Window. Either way, hover over New Windowed Output. You'll see a list of all the screens you have configured in ProPresenter. Select the one you want, your main audience output, a stage screen, a confidence monitor, whatever you need. That screen immediately opens in its own separate window. From there, you're in control. Drag it anywhere on your desktop. Resize it to whatever dimensions work for your setup. Move it to a second or third monitor if you need to. The window is completely independent from your actual output, so nothing you do to it affects what's being displayed on your screens. One quick note. You can create multiple windowed outputs at the same time. So if you need your audience output in one window and your stage display in another, just repeat the process and you'll have both running side by side. Windowed output is one of those small features that makes a big difference once it's part of your workflow. Whether you're sharing into a virtual meeting or just want better visibility while you operate, it gives you a flexible way to see your content exactly where you need it. For more ProPresenter trading, check out the other tutorials in this series. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.